Hi, I'm Ken with Mobile Workout. If you're 50 or over and you're suffering with low back pain that just won't go away, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 3 easy to do movements for your back that will target what's really wrong, which is stiffness, strength, and daily movement. So let's get started. The first movement I'm going to show you is a cat-cow, and what you'll do is you'll get into a hands and knees position like this. You can start with your hands underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips, and you're just going to do relax your spine, relax your lumbar spine, and then round your back. This is the cat portion of it. This is going to be the stretching part. Then you're going to relax. And you're going to blow out. As you're blowing out, you're going to pull your belly button into your spine. So blow out now. You can add neck movement if you would like to improve your neck mobility as well, but you don't have to. And you're just going to hold each movement for a count of 1 to 2 seconds. Now, if you want to get your lower back even more, here's a little pro tip. You can walk your hands a little bit closer to your knees, and that'll target your low back. You're going to press your hands into the floor and blow out. This reinforces the mobility of the spine. So very good for relieving tension in the spine, the lumbar spine, the thoracic spine. Good, let's do a couple more. The next exercise is good for the strength of the muscles in between your shoulder blades, which encourages good posture, which is good for the low back. And what you'll do is you'll get down on the floor on your stomach. Get something for your forehead, because trust me, what's going to happen is you're going to either crush your nose or you're going to breathe in some dust, and we don't want that. So let's get your forehead on a pillow. Get your arms, you're going to squeeze your glutes, pull your stomach in a little bit, squeeze your glutes. The elbows are going to be at 90 degrees with your thumbs pointing towards the ceiling. What you'll do first off is go ahead and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Now you're going to squeeze them together and down. Imagine you're trying to put your shoulder blades in the opposite hip pockets. That's the best way that I can describe it. So you're going to do that first. And then just raise up your elbows a little bit off the ground and hold for 3, 2, 1, relax. Let's do it again. So shoulder blades go towards, so they squeeze up towards the ceiling and down at the same time towards your hips. And then raise your arms up for 3, 2, 1, relax. Do it again. 3, 2, 3, relax. Again. 4, 2, 3, relax. 5, 2, 3, relax. 6, 2, 3, relax. 7, 2, 3, relax. 8, 2, 3, relax. We'll do 15. 9, 2, 3, relax. 10, 2, 3, relax. And it just has to come off a little bit. 3, relax. 12, 2, 3, relax. 3, 2, 3, relax. 4, 2, 3, relax. And 5, 2, 3, relax. Good. So now you've targeted the muscles, the posterior muscles of the spine. Now we're going to work on your deep core muscles of your stomach. This is going to provide stability for your core. So what you'll do is you'll be on your back. You get on your back. And the best way I can describe this is you're going to first off press your lower back into the floor and pull your belly button to your spine. This hopefully engages your transverse abdominis muscles. This is the muscles that go around and create kind of a corset, go around from your spine into the front in a horizontal manner if you're standing up. A way to engage those is to, if you've ever had a cold and you're coughing for a couple weeks and your stomach's really sore, well, those are the muscles I want targeted. So what you're going to do is you're just going to cough. So it's and you'll see that as you blow out, your stomach sucks in, and you're just going to hold that position. So blow out and suck in, or cough and hold. Press your lower back into the floor. Then from this position, you'll just raise one foot up off the ground and then back down. And then switch and then back down. Keep going. And what you're looking for is your lower back to maintain its position on the floor. And try not to tilt your hips. As you lift that leg off, the other hip is going to want to raise up. So just try and keep it neutral. Keep both hips against the floor. And keep that stomach sucked in. I think that's, let's say that's 9, 10, 11. Again, press that lower back down. Pull your stomach in. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good, and relax. Now, we're going to do 2 sets of those. I'm going to have you wait 30 seconds, and then we'll do it again. So you're just giving your muscles a chance to relax, to recuperate, and then we'll do this exercise again. Okay, let's try this again, or let's actually do it again. As Yoda would say, don't try, do. I think he says that. So cough, that pulls in your stomach and presses your lower back into the floor. Keep that position, and then just go ahead and raise up. Try not to let the opposite hip raise up off the floor. And pull that stomach in. 2, 3, nice and slow, controlled. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Press, re-engage your stomach. 9, 10. You can also do a Kegel if you'd like. The Kegel is stopping your urine flow. That'll work your muscles of the pelvic floor. That's always a good thing to work on. 15, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I think that's 20. If it's more than 20, you get extra fitness. Back pain isn't about tightness, it's about movement, about flexibility, about strength, and just getting your spine to move again. Sitting all day long, no good for your spine. If you want to figure out what your body needs, click the link below for a free evaluation that I do virtually. And hit that subscribe button. I do videos every week for people like you wanting to feel better, move better, and age well.